For question number 8, you have to find the sum of this kind of crazy looking factorial. So let's do a little bit of work. And again, we're going to simplify this fraction by rewriting it. K plus 1 is the bigger number. So I am going to rewrite k plus 1 factorial as k plus 1. One number below that is k, one integer below that, and one integer below that is k minus 1. So we'll stop there. We'll have k minus 1 factorial over k minus 1 factorial. So these cancel out. So now we're looking at the sum as k goes from 1 to 20 of k plus 1 times k. And I certainly don't know what I can do with that, but I do know that I can multiply this out. So I'm going to rewrite this as sigma k goes from 1 to 20 of k squared plus k. And now we can use our rules of sigma. We can split this up. So we have sigma k squared plus sigma k. And again, k is going from 1 to 20 in both cases. It's important to use correct notation so that this is clearly understood. And we have a formula for each one of those. So our formula for sigma k squared is n plus 1, 2n plus 1. N in this case is 20, so we're going to have 20 times 21 times 2n plus 1 is 41 over 6 plus, and sigma k is n plus 1 all over 2. So let's see, 3 goes into 6 twice, that's 7. 2 goes into 20 10 times. So this becomes 7 times 41 is 287 times 10 is that, and plus 210, and that is just going to leave us with 0, 8, 3080.